Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make very delicious and super awesome coffee pancakes. I tried many recipes, but this one is the best of all because they are so soft, so moist, so fluffy and so light. You're just going to love it. And I'm sharing this recipe for two special people today. One is my aunt, Saba auntie, ye aapke liye hai, and a little girl whose name is Hiba. Hi sweetie, love you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, dear. So let's check out the ingredients first. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, that's maida. 1/4 cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. 1 tablespoon of coffee, instant coffee powder. I'm using coffee and chicory mixture. 1 glass of milk. Some oil. 3 eggs. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, so first I've taken the all-purpose flour. And into this we'll add in the dry ingredients, that's baking soda, some salt and the baking powder. Okay, and then just mix it. Mix it nicely and just keep this aside. Okay, now here I've taken a bowl. So I'm going to separate the egg yolk and the egg white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this egg white and keep it aside. Now into the egg yolk we'll add in the vanilla essence, instant coffee and sugar, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of oil. If you want to add butter, you can add butter. Well, I'm using 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Whisk it till all the sugar is dissolved. Okay. Alright, I've beaten the sugar and egg yolk very nicely. Now I'll add milk to it. I'm going to add 1 glass of milk. Give it a nice mix. So this is done. Into this we'll add the flour mixture. Alright, and mix it nicely. So after mixing it nicely, just keep this aside. After this, what we'll do is we'll beat the egg white until it gets nice and foamy. This will take somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so this is it. I don't want to form a peak. This is just perfect. Okay. So what we'll do is now we'll add in this to the pancake mixture and just lightly fold in So our mixture is totally done, and now we'll start making our amazing coffee pancakes. Heat a skillet. I'm using a non-stick tawa. Brush some oil. I'm using the same oil which I used into the batter. Alright, now as soon as the skillet gets heated up, just put the flame on low. Now with the help of a ladle, I'm using this ladle, just go ahead and drop in some of the mixture. Make a nice round pancake. So I'm going to wait until it gets the bubbles on the top. This will take somewhere around 2 minutes, and the flame is on low. So as you can see, it's nice and bubbly. So now I'm going to go ahead and flip the pancake. So see how fluffy they are getting. So these are all done, and I'm going to remove this. That is awesome pancakes. So I'm going to make all the pancakes the same way. All our pancakes are done. You can pour some maple syrup or any topping of your choice. You can even use some chocolate sauce, but I'm going to just enjoy them as it is, and these are best served with some hot piping cup of tea. Hope you give it a try. If you like my recipe, please hit the like button, share, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any request, please let me know in the comments box below. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.